All right, let's do it. Today, we will look into how to use AI to create perfect travel itineraries. We will also feature some of the tools which are AI trip planners and may go into detail and explore them in our next videos. We will also look at some of the itineraries created by these AI trip planning tools in our next video. But for today, let's look at how you could transform your travel planning from overwhelming to effortless with power of AI, that is artificial intelligence. Now, before jumping into how AI can help you, let's look at the top challenges that we face today without AI. The time consuming research is the number one challenge that we face today. You spend hours and hours juggling between tabs, comparing options and second guessing every decisions. You have overwhelming number of choices, endless options for flights, hotels, activities, restaurants, and timing. I mean, there's so much that it goes on to create decision paralysis. You make costly mistakes, you miss experiences, overpay for accommodations, and the stress of uncertainty. I mean, let's go use AI and let's get rid of all these challenges that we face today. Where AI comes in, it acts as your personal travel assistant. Now, these AI-powered trip planners, which I will talk about in a bit and also go into detail in our next videos. These AI-powered trip planners leverage real-time data, very important, very powerful, and sophisticated algorithms to revolutionize how you plan travel. You instantly tailor itineraries to your unique style, budget, and preferences. You save hours and hours of research time while reducing planning stress, and you uncover hidden gems and local experiences you would never find on your own. Now, let's look into some of our featured tools. Let's begin with this tool that's on your screen right now called Layla, if I'm pronouncing correctly. Now, this is a tool of a lot of interest for us at Crawler, and we have been exploring this tool quite a lot in the last few weeks. What it does is basically a very typical AI trip planner, trusted by millions. The goal is that you want to give it all the constraints, all the conditions that you would like to have in your travel, and it will create exactly what you need. It helps you with lightning fast planning, creates fully personalized trips in minutes, not weeks and not of tedious research. Smart Deals, it has integrated with finding smart deals on travel plans. So discover best prices on flights and hotels while uncovering authentic local secrets, and perfect balance of must see classics with off the beaten path experiences, all tailored to you. So do try it, and we will explore this tool Layla AI in detail in our next video. But do try it yourself. Plan a romantic Paris gateway from New York in April, or craft a comprehensive 7-day Rome itinerary, balancing iconic landmarks with the hidden neighborhood gems. Furthermore, if we go beyond how we see, how it helps or how it works step by step, you provide your details, enter your destination, travel dates, budget range, personal preferences, and there'll be a lot more things that will be optional to enter, but they will ask, like these tools, they will generally ask you, and AI will then generate itinerary for you. You receive a detailed day by day plan with activities, dining, and transport options, customized seamlessly. You could swap activities, upgrade your hotels, or adjust timing, all with simple clicks. And you can use this tool as a one shop for all. Everything related to your travel plan. You can reserve your flights, hotels, and tours without leaving this platform. So some of these tools are amazing. They bring everything together. Well, some of these tools may have some features which are very amazing or may lack in something else. So we will look into those details in our next videos, featuring some of other apps which are AI, which help with AI travel planning, like TripPlanner.ai. However, I think this is converted into Layla that we saw earlier. We have Wonderplan.ai and Alike.io, which we are also very interested in, and we will be exploring these with you in our subsequent videos. So, just a few things about Wonderplan. They offer offline access as well. So let's say you are traveling and you do not have internet for some reason, you could still access Wonderplan AI, and you could still look at your plan, modify the plan, and they will help you with that. So this comes handy in terms of like people hiking or going on a cruise where you may find access issues with your internet. Intuitive itinerary management, and completely free to use for budget conscious travelers. So this is of a lot of interest for people who are budget conscious, and this is our main interest in our next videos as well. Alike.io, it enables collaborative planning. So let's say you're going with your friends or family on a tour, you could use some of the features in Alike in addition to the AI, AI trip planning features that they give. And it specializes in local cuisine and hidden gems with seamless booking and integrations. So we'll be looking further into these in our videos. Benefits of using AI for travel itineraries. I mean, there are plenty. There are, I mean, no single slide can do justice to the benefits. But however, if you have to see the top ones, the personalized picks, real time savings, all in one plans, and offline itineraries. Now, why travelers love AI planning? Because recommendations truly match your unique interests and travel style, which you would not be able to find through conventional search. Automatic price comparisons ensure you never overpay. Complete coverage of sightseeing, dining, and transportation logistics, and easy offline access and sharing with travel companions. So, yeah, I mean, AI trip planners deliver tangible advantages that transform the entire travel experience from planning to execution. And just a few tips for getting the most from AI trip planners. I mean, this we have covered in the past as well, and we will double down on this always again and again. Be detailed about your preferences, stay flexible, explore hidden recommendations, and keep updating regularly. So this is one of the most important things that it comes to when you are using AI for anything in general. But for travel planning, keep updating things regularly, keep checking for what's new, what's updated, where your itinerary may have had changed, and these AI trip planners can help you with that regularly or seamlessly. So, yeah, I would strongly encourage that you start planning your perfect trip today using one of these AI tools, AI trip planning tools. And and I hope your journey begins now, whether you are planning a romantic getaway with Valentine's Day coming in, or a family adventure, or a solo expedition. AI trip planners make it effortless to create unforgettable experiences. So, yeah, let's choose an AI planner that fits your needs. Layla, Trip Planner, Wonderplan alike, and input your travel details and personal preferences, and customize, book, and embark on a stress-free journey. That's all it needs. That's all we need. Thank you so much for listening in today. Let's look into some of these tools that we have called out in detail in our next videos. Let's look at some of the itineraries created by our own custom prompts that we have created as part of TripCrawl in some of the next videos. Thank you so much for listening. If you like the video, please go ahead and hit like, subscribe, and share with your friends and family if you find these inputs helpful. Until next time, thank you.